Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Port Louis marked yet another milestone in the deepening partnership between India and Mauritius. In high-level talks, both Prime Ministers reaffirmed their commitment to enhancing cooperation in multiple sectors, from defense and maritime security to strategic partnerships. A major focus area of the talks was defense and maritime security. Both countries decided to commit to ensuring a free, open, and secure Indian Ocean region, with enhanced naval capacity building and surveillance collaboration.
साथियों, आज प्रधानमंत्री नवीनचंद्र रामगुलाम और मैंने भारत मॉरिशस साझेदारी को एनहांस स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप का दर्जा देने का निर्णय लिया है। साथियों, प्रधानमंत्री जी और मैं सहमत हैं कि रक्षा सहयोग और मैरीटाइम सिक्योरिटी हमारी स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप का अहम हिस्सा है। फ्री, ओपन, सिक्योर एंड सेफ इंडियन ओशन हमारी साझी प्राथमिकता है।
Speaking after their bilateral meeting, Modi said, India backs Mauritius's sovereignty over Chagos. This comes after U.S. President Donald Trump said last month he would support a deal between Mauritius and Britain over the future of the U.S. British base in the Chagos Archipelago, a group of 7 atolls comprising more than 60 islands in the Indian Ocean. Diego Garcia, the largest island of the archipelago, has been used as a joint British-U.S. military base since the 1970s.
चागोस के संदर्भ में हम मॉरिशस की संप्रभुता का पूर्ण सम्मान करते हैं। कोलंबो सिक्योरिटी कॉन्क्लेव, इंडियन ओशन रिम एसोसिएशन और इंडियन ओशन कॉन्फ्रेंस जैसे मंचों के तहत हम सहयोग बढ़ाएंगे।
The two nations also inked agreements in areas like digital health, artificial intelligence, fintech, and space research, further strengthening their technological collaboration.
Our shared vision is to increase our cooperation in existing and emerging sectors, such as space research, artificial intelligence, digital health, ocean economy, pharmaceuticals, ICT, fintech, and cybersecurity.
As chief guest at Mauritius's National Day celebrations, PM Modi was honored with the nation's highest civilian award, the Grand Commander of the Order of the Star and Key of the Indian Ocean. Indian Navy deployed frontline warship INS Imphal to participate in the National Day parade with a marching contingent, naval band, and a fly-past by helicopters as part of the celebrations.
I reaffirm our commitment that we will continue to make every effort to enhance India-Mauritius strategic partnership to greater heights.
A partnership anchored in history, strengthened by shared values, and committed to a prosperous and secure future in the Indian Ocean region.
Our borders, a symbol of strength, guarded by our brave warriors. As the proverb goes, armor strengthens the greatest warrior. A1's fences are that armor for the armed forces. A1 Fence delivers quality in every inch, products, services, and insights, providing solutions, tackling every challenge in any terrain or condition. A1 Fence, securing our borders silently.